Hey guys, what's up? This is the Resolution from Team AA, and today we are doing our initial review for the Huawei P20. Huawei released its P20 on 27th of March in a live event. The specifications include a 5.8-inch RGB LCD with it rocks a high silicon Kirin 970 processor, 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, and it comes with a front-facing notch. It comes with a 3400 mAh of battery cell. The main selling point of this device is its beautiful Leica branding, 3 cameras, which is insane. It's the first device ever in the world to get these 3 cameras, with 1 camera including of 8 megapixel with 5x hybrid zoom and 3x optical zoom, which haven't been seen in a smartphone yet. It comes with the front 24 megapixel of camera, and in the rear you get 40 megapixels of monochrome sensor and a 20 megapixels of depth of 20 megapixel of the normal RGB sensor, and it gets a portrait mode in the front and in the back. The new color includes a gradient color which looks so beautiful. I mean, I have never seen a beautiful color like this. It has a portrait mode and all the features you see in Huawei devices. The Huawei has been insanely innovative these years, and it is becoming the world's largest manufacturer soon, and right now it's on the number 3. The image quality of this device is insane, like nighttime photography is possible due to this device. The main selling point are its cameras. The portrait mode is also good, and everything you see is good. You get an option in the software of EMUI 8.0 to hide the notch or include the notch if you don't like it either way, which I think is really cool. The fingerprint sensor is on the front, and this time I guess I would like it on the back, but it's fine to see. It comes in many colors and gold is one of them. It looks premium in any of the color because of the glass and the Leica branding on it. So that was for the videos. Thanks for watching our video, and we will keep bringing videos like this. Subscribe to Team AA now. Thank you. Peace.